Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quantize audio in Reaper. So let's get straight into it. Now, this cuts the audio at transients and moves the slices to the grid. So select the item and press D on your keyboard. So this will open up dynamic split items. All right. Now we will split right here. If I click split, you see that now I splitted the audio right where I left this cursor. Okay, so in this dynamic split, you can also set transient sensitivity. So you have threshold here, sensitivity. When you are done with that, we will go here to the right click on the track and then select here item processing and then quantize item position to grid. Right here, select the quantize to 1 of 16, so like that, and then just hit processing. So like that. Now that we fix the gaps created by moving the slices, select all items and use the action. This action is called the fill gaps between selected items. So, and yeah, this is how you can quantize audio. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next.